Hey everyone, and welcome to this new live stream where I'm going to explore Qdrant um, vector database. So what I'm thinking about today is I saw before doing this stream, I was just like going through the tutorials that they are having, the snapshots and the information that they are showing here with the examples. Let me just, like, yeah. So is it like I think it's better like this. So and they have the examples as well here. So what I was thinking about is doing something a little bit um to be honest, I'm not sure like exactly what, but I was thinking to do an example, then going to doing my own example and building my own project. And what I was thinking about is having a search engine for or search API for um emojis or something like that, which would be a fun project to see how things would work. So, to start with, the last thing that we talked about, which is like what they are doing for the startup list here, as what they are explaining, is that they are having wait deploy your no, to look through description of companies from okay, so they are collecting the startup information from here. I said that. So what I was thinking about is starting by having those information and then collecting them by the emojis that I am having, then using those emojis for the search. And the only thing that I need to try here or replace here is this story startup demos. So instead of having that, I need to have my own um, JSON collection, and we could build something on top of that. So to get started, let's just see what they are doing. And I think we used in the previous, no, the code from this tutorial can be found here. Ah, yeah, so they have the full code here already. Quadrant demo, and what about this? Step one. So for step one, which is, let me see what it is. I think it's getting, yeah, so it's getting the JSON collection using the sentence transformers, NumPy, JSON Panda, TQDM. What was it? TQDM. Okay, it's تقدم. That's cool. Extensible. It's progress bar for Python and CLI. Wait, who is those contributors here? So TQDM it's from Word تقدم, which means progress. To be honest, I got interested about the founders here because تقدم is an Arabic thing. So Stefan Karl, Kosper. I get curious about the name. I will check that later. So yeah, let me go. So they are getting تقدم, which is like process, and here they will have the pre-trained sentence encoder. Let me maximize the screen. Then they are getting the file. Then they are encoding those row and for raw and data file iter plus. So they are iterating over these files and getting the information, the shapes, saving them as MPY, then getting the file from Google Colab and making a test query. Let me see. print description, convert query description to a vector, and selecting top 5 with large scores. What is here? Dental transparency. So, and then they are doing the search here. Why? Let me just go 1 second. So the code for typical if you're on step 1, step 2, full code for narrow search. This is step 2, 10 comments behind. So this is sentence transformer. And I think they have the quadrant demo here. Empty. They are getting the information from, we see the front end. Wait, what? In the front end they have, I think this could be a React app. So it's a React app in strict mode. And they might have a different project than the one they are showing there. Let's just go here. To launch demo locally, you need to prepare data first. The source of original data is here. Code for initial data preparation could be found here. So this is like 2 steps. You need to do this one first, then you could go to the full code. And they are using Docker Compose. After servers start upload initial data to search engine. So here in natural language searching, and we have that. I would like to see this code. Just let me go code space, create new code space here, and let me go for the first step. The only issue that I would do here is having this kind of data preparation done already in the GitHub would be much better than just um, saying that you could just go there and check whatever. So let's just go terminal, people install Pottery. Hello. We are installing Pottery, then we will Pottery install. What was Pottery? Pottery Foundation, pip. It's dependency management. Okay, that's cool. So I think it's kind of replacement of the requirement install, whatever it is. So let's just go here, finishing the data, getting the information. We could wait. While waiting, let's just go here with Docker, raw parse data from whatever. So they have this data in the JSON file here. We should save this somewhere. Yeah, so we could get that data and install sentence transformer, import the event model, download, create. After saving that, we run the Docker, uploading data to Qdrant through yeah, so we need to start up collection and iterate over that file, start up JSON, upload the data, build the search here. So after getting that data, we could build write search function, add the search, deploy fast API. So then we need to install fast API and include that file, and we could reach that. Let me just see what happened here. Okay, so let's just go with battery install. So I think we could be ready here. So we to quick start. To launch the demo locally, you need to prepare data first. The source of original code for initial data preparation could be found here. Here. So let's just prepare the data. To prepare the data here, I think we just need to run this file, which I think having two steps is, where is it? Run all with this 12. Just run anyway. And we could move forward. Let's just see what we are doing here is waiting to run the file, and we are getting the data installation. And here we go. So we could just wait for a few seconds to see the impact here. While I am waiting, I think at the end I will get a file. Yeah, so I will have the vectors mpy. So I could get those two data here. And we could upload that here. So let's just like go for a few seconds to see what this is ready. Here we are converting. Yeah, so we are sending our batch, and we could then we should run the service and run update the data. So let's just wait to see how things will go for here in data saved. So we are saving, downloading that MPY. Um, and we already have, yeah, but I think I have them in how to download files from table of content. Here, okay, we have the sample data, we have startup JSON. Okay, I could get them from here, I think, with download doc. Okay. So we could get them from here and just download them. Let's see. Downloading. I will wait that till it finish, and then we could go and add those to our project. Okay, it's done. We have this vectors. Let's have the startup. Let's wait for a few seconds till it's downloaded, and then we could go While we are waiting, I think I could upload that here. So I think it could be able to have it there. And here we have the JSON for startups file, and we are updating them. Yeah, so I think we need to just like a few seconds and it will be ready. Then let's just see what they are seeing in the documentation. The repository contains the code for whatever. The demo is based on the vector search engine. Requirements install, requirements we install that. We will need Docker, we will do that later if it's not there. We should have those in the data JSON, just like have this is as large screen. So we should have those as data JSON, and then we could run the Qdrant demo init collection startup from Qdrant demo. I think, yeah. So let's just see here. This is almost done. This is not done. So I could just like run this in Visual Studio Code. So I will have the full access to code from file. I will check that in a few minutes. But let's just go again here and see the result. First, after seeing the result, we could play around with the project and see what we are doing. What I could do as well is having a Visual Studio Code. This is okay. So let's just go back one folder. And make Qdrant project, cd Qdrant project, and then I think we could just like our like code here. Okay, let's just go one step backward. Code Qdrant project. So right now we have the server, or like it's not the server, I mean that folder. Here we have that, here we have this. Then we could just go one step here. First, you need to download the set, install sentence transformer, import relevant models. Let's just go with that. But this prepared sample data set. Prepare sample.python. So here we are importing the models, downloading our model, and having it on CPU. Reading the data file, converting those data files to row description for row in data file interflows. Okay, so we'll just go with startups. We could get the shape, we don't need that. We could download this vectors and then we run that. Okay, so we don't need. Here we run Docker, upload data to Qdrant, pip install client, import clients library. Okay, we will just check that in a few minutes. Here we have the files. Okay, and we are expecting to see this int collection at startup is this. So we are then getting way from import whatever vector path. So I think we need to change the name. Define the CSV from data config quadrant demo, this config data directory. So data directory is root data. So what they have in the README is correct, but like the naming is incorrect. Let's just double check. Yeah, so the naming is not correct. Let's just raise an issue. Here we could go to README, quadrant demo, init collection start up. So this is it. Let's just go copy permalink, issues. So I just go here. We don't see any other issues. And let's go to code. We have data slash. So here, copy permalink. Before going back forward, like I would like to double check have where is this projects as let's have data and have it here, have it here. So let me just, we need to install Python extension. I don't think that right now. What I am trying to do right now is before, okay, so we need to install, we have those as startup JSON. Let's just see. Data startups JSON. Let's see the readme here, here. Startups.json, startup vectors.mpy. So startups.json, startup vector.mpy, and then let's go to preview. While we are waiting here in the preview, we could, let's just go again. We need to launch the service. Okay, just go here. We need to launch this. We need to let's just wait for the project to run. Docker compose. Then we should have this in So while we are waiting, um, let's just go here. We are waiting this to run and finish. We could, what could we do? Yeah, so when that's finished, I think I will run and see the results. Then I would like to try to have uh, that um, emoji stuff and build that somehow. Let's just go here and wait. So we have 21 out of 23. We could wait. Mm, while we are waiting, I would like to scroll around some a little bit. And we could just like go to add here. Yeah, I will double check this without having the changes to um just go here. So while following the tutorial, I was thinking that having the data preparation preparation why data preparation having the data preparation in the same git folder would be better, and I noticed the next. In this file we are asking, the user is asked to have two files that the project doesn't find due the next. The code in the project is looking for different file names. So while could wait for this to just check what's going on, let's just go back. Where is our friend here? So this is ready. We have Qdrant. We could go to bash. Why? We don't need that. Let's just go to Python init Qdrant demo. No model found. Why? Let's just go here. Pip install semantic search. Just see this one. Mm, why didn't find that? Since, but like, it just install that. But I think we have it somewhere already. Pottery look, pottery. I think the pottery didn't install stuff. So here we have pottery lock. Just go up. What is the code related to pottery? It's pottery install, I think. We have people install pottery already. Pottery install. Okay, so the Python is not supported because they are using Python 3.11 update Python version. Let's just see. Just go here, go here. Let's update Python. Python dash version, I think. Update Python to 3.11 on Ubuntu. So I think this is what I note. Uh, just go with this. Close. apt-get update. apt-list Python. Exit Python dash version. And install Python package using apt-get. And let's just go with this update here. And then update the alternatives. So we installed Python 3, we need to update the alternative, then check whatever. Then we need to here Python 3. Just paste that. Updated. Python. Update the configuration. And yeah, so it's updated already. So then we could just try Python --v gen. Wait. Why it's not updated? Okay, so I need to go one step up with Python, but I need to update my version. Let's just see this. What didn't work? Should we have done this in 2 steps? Update error Python doesn't exist. Okay. And this it doesn't exist as well. No, it exists. Let me see. cd user. cd user. Then user bin Python. So user bin test. And let's just go with cd Python. We have pip3, pip. We don't have Python. We have Python 3.11. We have PyDoc, and we have Python PyDoc. Where is it? PyDoc 3.11. We should have, yeah. So we have Python 3, Python 3, Python 3.8, Python 3. Okay. So I think we need to do is update this from paste whatever. Let's just exit. No. So config install 3.8, and the top one is, this is it, just Python version. I need to update that. So I'm getting stuck with Python because I'm not like that familiar with that. So I need to get a little bit familiar with this stuff and move forward with it. Let's just go with this here. And for those who just joined, what I'm trying to do is running the Qdrant. Let me just go with matching names. We'll open this and we'll visit that later. So what I'm trying to do is running Qdrant demo and see how things would move forward with us. But like I didn't notice that when I try poetry install, which is um, that should be, let me just open a new bash here. So this is the file that we need to run to install the stuff that we are having in the project, but like this stuff is being um, is waiting Python 3.11 instead of Python. Let me see here, instead of Python only. And we need to have the data to search. So here right now we don't have any search or any info that we are having for the data. So just let me just go try start implementing search. So here it's demo, and let's just say artificial intelligence, artificial, let's just say inventions in medicine. Is dental school easier than medical school? Okay, that's cool. And if we go to text, we'll have nothing. And if we go to medicine only, we'll have different Um, yeah, I think this would have a cute result when we go with emojis, but let's just run that first. So we already did this. Let's just try sudo install, and here we go. Why it's not copying this? So we have Python 3.11, Python 3 version, and Python version, and here we need to update Python 3 with Python 3.8. We just have this one first. So sudo update install Python 3.10 is not there. Would it be Python 3? Just go Python 3.11. What does this do? But I'm not sure. But introduce to, okay. Just try Python slash version. It's not there. Um, if we click Python 3.11, it will be here, but it's not what I want. Let's just try poetry install. Activate Python 3.11. Should we go with like virtual environment? No, so sure. Okay, we need to have this. Then we could activate that. So we are in the version environment, Python 3.11, Python version, and update. Why it's not there? Activate Python version. Enable Python 3 point. Let's say change Python to Python 3.11. I just give me a second here. Learn Python. No, how to use Python as default. Okay, I think this is what I want. Oh, take me back. And here, Python version, update alternatives. And this we could, so the update alternative is install Python 3 with Python. I think it was Python 3.10. Python 3.11. Okay, we have Python 3.11 as 2. And we could update this. So this is 2. And this is 1. What is the name of the file? Okay, I think I need, I could, what was it? List cd user list cd bin list. So it's Python. Let's just go up. I'm not sure if we could have it in another way. So let's just see the name. It's Python 3, Python 3.11. And this is not working. You just go check Stack Overflow. Mm, so I'm not getting what I want here. And here we could see it's the one that I opened. Okay, I think I need to discover this somehow later. So I might do this off stream then and go back and try that running and understanding the file to see what we could do. So I'm just like going to end the stream right now, and hopefully you enjoy the stream, and hopefully we will see you in another stream as well. So really thank you for those who joined today, and enjoy your time and night. Bye bye.